In this video, we'll show you how to replace the trimmer line on your Greenworks 60-volt 22-inch cordless, battery brushless, wheeled string trimmer. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different than the models featured in this video. However, these instructions still apply. This video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions, including safety warnings, maintenance, and storage tips, refer to the manual. Safety first. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Let's get started. To replace line, remove any leftover cutting line from the trimmer head. Prepare a 26-inch strip of nylon cutting line with a diameter of 0.125 inches. Your unit may have come with extra pre-cut line. Feed the cutting line through the hole and push it until it exits the opposite hole. Ensure the length is equal on both sides. Then, wrap both ends around the winding rod. With proper care, your Greenworks 60V wheeled string trimmer will deliver powerful, precise trimming without gas, fumes, or pull cords. Need more help? Visit greenworkstools.com.